Hello my dear friends and my dearest family members, welcome back to Max class. I am taking on the topic tables and multiplications. Okay, in my last classes I have thoroughly fully revised the tables and order of the table and what is the shortcuts, how to learn the tables very easily, and what are the methods, different, not methods means which you followed a very old period, not the method which is very new. I have using those following those method you can learn the tables as very fast. Okay, so what is a need? In my last class itself I gave some introduction. What is a basic need to learn the tables means, yes, if you are learning something it will be useful for something for other, isn't it? For example, if you are learning ABCD means that it will be helpful throughout your English learning, not only English learning, whatever you are seeing in English language, it is easier to learn. So that is the main usage, main thing to read the ABCD. As like, what is the main ambition to read the tables means, with the help of the tables you can calculate the multiplications very fastly. Please underline the word very fastly. If you don't know, or if you not well versed in the tables, or if you were struggle while you are learning a table at very younger stage itself, means you feel very difficulty when you are doing a multiplication calculations. Okay, so because see there, for example, addition, when you take addition, I have told you the addition is the simplistic calculation, I have told you, isn't it? Addition is the simplest calculation. So in the simplest calculation, for example, 2 plus 5, you can easily tell without leaving the finger, or without saying a 2 in the mind and 5 in the finger, without adding the extra thing, you can easily say it's a 7. Okay, for instance, if you are going another larger number like 8 plus 6, so you will be little bit struggle when comparing to these set of number. When comparing 2 plus 5, when you are performing 8 plus 6, you feel little bit, not so, you feel little bit you will be struggle. Okay, next, for instance, 27 plus 29, then you will be feel little bit difficult when comparing 8 plus 6. So what is the main thing I wish to say here means, even though addition is a very simplest calculation format, so in that simplest calculation format itself, you feeling that it is difficult when going for a larger number. So what is here a solution? When you are coming for a solution means, yes, we can find out a solution like pairing of numbers. Pairing of numbers means, for example, you can pair it like a 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 7 plus 7, 8 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 10 plus 10. So this is a pairing of number. So once you all very well versed in these numbers, for example, 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 5, 10, 4 plus 4, 8, 3 plus 3, 6. When you are revised in these sets of the number, okay, for example, when you are thorough, you are fully thorough, okay. So I'm just writing the answer: 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, so now we are coming to the 8 plus 6. You don't need to calculate 8 in the mind and the 6 in the finger, children. Okay, you can take it. See here 8 and here is 6. So take the smaller number. Okay, let's take the smaller number, because the 6 is in the 8, isn't it? The 6 is in the 8 means, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how many lines I have put in? 8 dash put in. So in the 8 there is a 6. Yes, there is a 6 ticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ticks are there. So the 6 is in the 8. So 6 plus 6, what? 6 plus 6 is 12. So remaining how many numbers? 13 and 14. You can easily calculate on this format. So when you are pairing of the numbers, it will be useful for when you are going a larger number. This is it's a tip for addition. So how this is how this like this the tables also going to be helpful to perform the multiplications. Okay, so see here. So as I said, the addition, how to perform for a larger number, how to perform it, I have told you. When you are pairing up the numbers, or you can recollect 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. That is the combination of the number to get 10. The combination of the number to get 10 in the 1 from 0 to 10 means what are the combination? 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 4 plus 6. So these are the combination you can get 10. So you can also, this is like not a rule or any formula. This is help you to perform the addition very easier. So what is the main point I'm wants to tell means, so addition is the simplest calculations. So in that simplest calculation itself, we are getting the pairing of numbers, and the number which is getting a 10, the combination number which is getting the 10, we have used to revise it. What is the need of a revising means, it will be helpful throughout your life, not only for next class like a 3rd standard, 4th standard or 5th or up to 12th. It will be help you for a long time, as like you are studying ABCD. Okay, so this is the what is that, like a basic example for why we are why we are analyzing these kind of things. As like that for a multiplication, the tables plays a major role. Okay, so we all studied up to 2 to 12 tables. Up to 2 to 12 tables we have read it. Okay, so in my last classes I have given an introduction for a single digit multiplication. Single digit multiplications like 2 into 2, 8 into 2. So this is our very first class for a multiplication. So I have taken a single digit. Okay, so 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So what is the mean behind process means, if a 2 comes for a 2 times, if a 2 comes for a 2 times, here 8 into 2 is 16. What is the behind meaning means, if 8 comes for a 2 time, if 8 comes for a 2 times. Next, 4 into 6. If what is the example, if a 4 comes for a 6 times, or 6 comes for the 4 times. So 4 into 6 is 24. Okay, so here main point, if you don't know tables, if you are not learned the table, or if you were very dull, or you are doubt, or you are not so interested, or you not learned properly, whatever, but negative on a tables means what now going to be happen, we'll see that is the important thing. So then only you can realize how the tables is playing very major role. Okay, so see, if you don't know the tables, you just want to do the multiplication means 2 into 2. If a 2 comes for 2 times, again you are going to are you ready to perform the addition here? So it is very easy. So when it is easy, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, no problem. Here also no problem. Then it comes like this. If you want to put 6 for a 4 times or 4 for a 6 times, and again you are performing the addition means there is a no use, you are studying the multiplications. So what is the very main thing you want to study the multiplication? It is useful for the time management to avoid the repeating addition. It will avoid, it is used, the multiplication is a calculation format which is used to avoid the repeating addition. repeating addition. What is the reason? What is the main reason to avoid the repeating addition? Means it is time consuming. Actually taking a lot of time for repeatedly doing the addition, means taking a lots of time. So that is the main thing that we are avoiding the addition and we are going for a multiplication. For example, if you are buying some groceries for a 5 items you are buying, means moreover on a different amount. For example, product 1 you are buying for a 50 rupees, product 2 you are buying for a 30 rupees, product 3 you are buying for a 10 rupees, product 4 you are buying for a 27 rupees, product 5 you are buying for a 38 rupees. So here we have bought 5 products. The value of 5 products is different. So you tell me whether here the multiplication going to help you? No other way. Here the addition, only the addition is going to be help you. So where the multiplication actually going to help you means when the numbers are same. For example, if you are buying the one product, okay, you are buying the product of product P1. Product 1 is rupees 85. You are buying the same product. You are buying the same product 20. So here the multiplication is going to help you. You are buying the same product on a same cost for a 20. Number of product is 20. So here the multiplication is going to help you, whereas here the multiplication is not going to help you. You want to perform the additions. So what is the difference? Why I am saying that I am just showing the differentiate and I am explaining means you cannot come to the point, oh, the addition is waste. Only if you are learning the multiplication or we can perform the multiplication. No. The addition also need as well as the multiplication also need. So where the multiplication plays a major role, here. So instead of putting 85 for 20 times, instead of putting this, we can multiply using 85 into 20. So this is the main differentiate between the addition and the multiplications. So we need both calculation. We should be very well versed in the both calculations like a multiplication and addition and multiplications. So definitely if you are well vested, not at every point you are going to perform the multiplication, or if you are very well vested in addition, not you are going to perform the addition for at every time. So the situation will choose you whether you want to perform the addition or a subtraction. Now you have come to the point, what is the main goal to study the multiplication, isn't it? So now I have told you all the major points why you want to read the multiplication or why you want to be very memorized about tables. Now you hope you all understand, isn't it? So let's now jump into the proper multiplication sums. In my last class itself, I told you the single digit multiplication we have completed. Okay, so even though next we are going to perform the 2-digit multiplication. So in top, I am going to write a 2-digit number. Okay, in down, I am going to write a single digit number. Okay, so in this addition, why I am comparing the addition for every time means it is to recollect. The children can easily recollect, and also it is for a very kids, those who are studying first standard, second standard. I am checking the class means, so the children get differentiate. The kids should be get differentiate between the addition and the multiplication. So then only they can easily understand, oh, multiplication is working on this process and addition is working on this process. Now some children will be get forget. For example, when they are learning new things, they will be forget their old things. Some kids will used to do that. So to avoid those things also, when we are reading the comparison, when we do the comparison, it will be easy for everybody. Okay, see here 12 into 2. So now we are going to perform the multiplications, because what is the symbol for the multiplication? It's a cross mark, isn't it? It's a cross mark. It's not a plus, it's a cross mark. It looks like a capital X. It is looks like a capital X. Addition is plus. So this is a symbol of the multiplications. Okay, in the computer there is a calculator, isn't it? In a mobile there is a calculator. So if you want to perform the multiplication in the calculator or a computer, you cannot find this symbol. For addition you will find the plus symbol, whereas in a calculator and in mobile phones calculator and computer calculator, I am telling, in computer calculator and mobile calculator you can find the plus symbol for the addition, whereas in a mobile calculator and computer calculator you cannot find the X symbol, that is cross symbol. Instead of that you will find it out some star symbol. So this is the symbol they represent in the mobile phones and computer calculator. Okay, this is for extra information I am saying. Okay, now let's move on to the problem. Okay, so in a top I have written a 2-digit 12, in a down I have written in 1 digit 2. See, here there is a 2. So you should be multiplied 2 here, and you have to going to multiply it here. So that down here the 2 is going to be multiplied for a both number. First 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. So 12 into 2 is 24. Can we recheck it? So what is the exact meaning for 12 comes for a 2 times? Isn't it? For 12 comes for a 2 times. Yes, the answer is correct. Now how it works? So 2 is going to be added only with this number. 2 plus 2 is 4. I am just writing the 1 here. So this is the difference. Okay, one more time I will tell you. In a maths, you will feel very easy when I am telling at very first point. But when you are doing problems on your own, you will have thousands of doubts. So that is the reason I am just taking twice. Okay, this is the cross mark for a multiplication. To understand, it is a multiplication. So this is a plus, it is to be understood, it is a addition. Want to perform the plus. Okay, here 2. So you should be multiplied with the both number. Okay, 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. See here, this number should be multiplied by both number. 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 1 is 2. Here 2 plus 2 is 4 and the 1 should be written here. Okay, this is the main difference. We see somewhat a larger number. So 2 means it will be very easy, isn't it? So we will take another single digit large number. For example, 12 into 3 plus 12 plus 3. Okay, see here I have taken the 2 digit in top and down I have written the only 1 digit. Okay, so what is the basic, in a multiplication what we want to do? The 3 should be multiplied with the both numbers 1 and 2. So it should be multiplied. First 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. Here 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 should be get down. It's a 15. Shall we recheck it? What is the meaning for 12 comes for a 3 times? If a 12 comes for a 3 times. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 36. So it is rechecked. So this answer is the correct answer. Okay, see now here. Next problem. 13 into 3. Here 13 plus 3. Okay, see the down. Here the number, this number should be multiplied with the both number, isn't it? This number should be multiplied with the both number. So 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9. Very good. So here you should be very strong in the tables. You don't need to again count 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3 is 3, 6, 3 into 3. You should be very strong. Okay. 3 into 3 is 9. Next 1 into 3 is 3. So in addition, you are going to perform 3 plus 3 is 6. Here down is 1. 16 is the answer. So this point you don't get confused. Is this similar like a single digit multiplications like 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is 21. So here there is a no problem. It is also like a single digit multiplication. What is the change means? This number going to be multiplied by the both number. Okay.